All right, so exercise, pen tool exercise 2. We'll start with this one. So you want to click here to download it. And once it downloads, you want to open it. It will automatically open up in Adobe Illustrator. All right, so let me do a Command 0 to zoom in on this guy. First thing you want to do, close out some of the stuff, is we want to click the line with the eyedropper tool. So the eyedropper tool is the tool that looks like an eyedropper, and it's right over here on the left. Okay, right there. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to come up with the tip of the eyedropper tool onto that red line. Notice when we do that, if we come up here to the top left, we can see our stroke is red, our fill is off, because we're using the pen tools. We want to turn off fill until we need to fill a closed path, but right now we keep it, for this exercise, fill will always be turned off. We got red stroke, 4 points, so it's a nice thick line for you to see. We're going to go to the pen tool, P for pen tool. So we're going to hit P on the keyboard or hit this fifth tool down. This tool is such an important tool in Illustrator that it's at the very top of all the drawing tools. It leads off all the drawing tools, if you notice, okay? This extremely important tool. You can use the pen tool to create any shape or curve that you need. Anything can be created with the skill of using the pen tool, but you have to develop that skill. So we're going to start with straight lines first. And boy, do I have a lot of practice for you right now. So you're going to come over here, and when you use the pen tool to create a straight line, you just click and release the mouse. Now I have anchor. I got an anchor and a line, and I'm going to go to the other end of the line, the other end point, and click an anchor there, and that traces over that line. Now I'm still pulling a line, so I don't want to do that anymore. I'm done with this straight line, so I'm going to hit P on the keyboard to release that line. So now I have a line. Okay, let's try that again. I'm just going to go click, release the mouse, click, and then hit P. And then I'm going to go click, click, P. So I'm using P on the keyboard. So I have my non-mouse hand, my index finger on the P key on the keyboard, and I've got my mouse controlling where the pen's at. So click, click, P, click, click, P. All right? And you're going to continue to do that. Click, click, P until you have traced over with this nice thick red line all of these lines. Okay? When you're done, you're going to do the file export, right? So we're the file export and export save for legacy, or you can use export as, but export save for legacy so you can preview it. And we want to make sure over here it's a JPEG high. This is of course when you're done with all of the lines. I'm not going to do that for the training video, but you get the idea. It's a lot of lines that you have to have read. And then you want to click save, and then you're gonna, it's already got a name, so all you have to do is click. It's gonna be in your downloads, by the way, because you downloaded it. Just click save, and then you want to submit that to this assignment in Schoology. Okay, so you're gonna submit over here, and I want to see it on your Wix page, on your graphics page in Wix. All right, that's what you're gonna do. Have fun with the click, click, P. Click, click, P. Yeah.